Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic Monday. Let's go ahead and make sure you all can hear me. Please type the number 1 in the comment section in that chat box. Let me know that you can. I would greatly appreciate it. And as we get started here today, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes only. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. I got stuff flying all over the place today. Can't keep that pen on the desk. All right. And as we do get going here, folks, make sure that you follow along on the various social platforms that we've going on out there. There's a ton of great content going out every single week. Don't miss out on it. All right. And with that, let's go ahead and jump right in and start off with the market and see what's going on with the indexes. I see red and nothing but red. The ES, which is the S&P 500, down 34. The Dow is down 264. They were down about 300 earlier, so they've come up a little bit. The Nasdaq's down 106. The RUT's down 17. Bitcoin back under 19K. They're down about 1,000. Ethereum is down 117. Gold is down 9.5, and crude is down to 82.09. Interesting that Biden came out last night, I guess it was, and said, in the White House did, rather, not him, that if we get under $80 a barrel, that we may consider buying back to refill our strategic stores. So we've just told the energy producers, hold at 80, 79, don't go lower. Let's see if we can't get the government to spend all this money at that price before we continue to drop. Big slide on everything right now, though, folks. It's just the way of the day, I guess. It's just we're not there. There's nothing giving us any kind of hope to the upside. Inflation's still high. PPI is still high. CPI is high. Unemployment, nothing great happened with it. And then we've got the Fed this week on Wednesday. 2 p.m. is the big announcements, and then 2:30 is the conference call. So keep your eyes open for that this upcoming week, all right? So let's go take a look at the trades from last week that we did. And this is the opportunity for you to drop your trades in that you did on Friday. Drop them in. Let me know exactly how it was. How'd you do? Win, loss, doesn't make a difference. Break even, doesn't matter. Funded, not funded. I don't care. What I care about is keeping to build this community where you're sharing with others that they could see some of what you've done and start looking at those and go, oh, I see why they did that. I need to look at that the next time. It's all about helping each other out here. All right. Morning, everybody. Good to have you all here today. All right. Let's go ahead and look at that from last week then. So we had a lot of candidates last week. Adobe was one of them. Adobe, this makes the second trade on Adobe last week for the same thing. We did a bear call spread. The note was bear call spread above 307 or a long put. So we went 307.5, 310 on the bear call. We were able to get 30 cents on that, close it out for about a nickel. So, good move on the day. Not bad at all. It was a Friday option expiration, so that was perfect. And you could see the day itself, the gap down, and we just kind of hung. It was all good. It was all good. And then UPS was the other. And if you remember, they were in sympathy to FedEx. FedEx had too big of a move, couldn't get anything for it. Just wasn't there. So we look at UPS, and they had the gap down, continuation down, of recovery, and they stayed down. And we were looking at the note was above 179. All right, so we got the 180, 182.5. Well, 180 was up here. We had nothing that got us in trouble at all. We got nowhere near our level to get in trouble. So that was about 45 cents back for a nickel. So about 40 cents there on that $2.50 spread. So that was a good one. It was a really good one last week. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Erica said Adobe bear call spread did well. Excellent. Love it, Erica. Good job. Congrats on that. All right, let's go take a look at today's candidates. I do have a list built out for us, both here and on Mega Charts. So Adobe, again is on our list. They got a downgrade from Wells Fargo today, right? So where's Adobe? They're down right now another $4.50, $4.25, right? Let's see. Robert's got big things to talk about all the time, folks. Takes him a little bit longer for us to get through to him, to see him. Adobe bear call spread, FedEx bear call spread, GE bear call, Amazon bulk put, Q's long put, SPX iron condor, SPY bull put spread. All did well through your picks and 4 of mine. Excellent, Robert. Great job. I love it that you found some that we had that were helpful. And even better is you finding your own that are working out as well. So that is awesome. Great job, everybody. Great job. So on Adobe today, we are sitting right now at 175.5. No, I'm sorry. That's on UPS. Why the heck did that happen? I'm like, wait, no. 175. That would be really bad. I had UPS up there still on my option chain. So Adobe is at 295.5. So we're down 385 right now. So 295 half puts us right below the 100 level. Still a little bit close, guys. We're going to look at it again because last week, we said above the 307. So last week, we're going to do the same thing. I mean, today we're going to do the same thing. Bear call spread above 307. So if we look, just for a quick glance, if we're looking at that 307 half again, above 307, at 368. So we're looking at about 70 cents before the move, right? So if we move one strike price the opposite direction, we're looking at 55 cents, 55 cents for that spread on a 250 increment, which gives me a 25% rate of return on that if I'm right. So I like it, right? Coinbase, COIN. Crypto sentiment, they're down today, and they're down $3.11, which puts them at about 71. So 60, 80, 20. All right. So we have to split this level again. That's just too big. All right. So they're sitting at 71. 70, 86. They're right at that 70 level. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 80. And it's 80 even there. So that's good. FedEx. All right. They're back in news again. The slide was massive for them on Friday. Nothing we could even do to trade it, right? It was just too big of a move. Well, the news out there on it today is they're just going to continue to drop. It is believed that trucking is kind of the lead when we start shifting into a recession, when we start seeing the truckers go down, the shippers go down. So FedEx getting crushed. It's kind of that next nail in the coffin, right? For many traders out there right now, many economists even out there right now. So that continuation slide, listen, I'd love to see FedEx go back up. But if I can get a trade off it that can make us some money, I'm going to take advantage of that trade, right? So we're going to look at a bear call spread above FedEx right now is at 160 even. So we're going to look at a bear call spread. What do we have on FedEx? We have it at 174. So we're going to do 164 aggressive or 174, right? Which puts us up above that next Fibit level right there. Keep in mind, we've got earnings coming up. It shows here on the 22nd. Make sure you confirm, right? Netflix. Let's see. We got a couple more. Yeah, woohoo. There you go, Eric. Appreciate it. Great job, Robert from Trip. Robert, the hammer is yours. Congrats. There you go. Say, hey, I know I got to get one here, right? And then Erica said, so 310, 312 and a half strikes on Adobe for the bear call. So on Adobe, 307. No. It's 307 and a half, 310. The reason I went to the 310, 312 was just to show, because we moved about $3. The difference is about a $2.50 move. That just breaks it down to what I think the options are going to be worth this morning come the open. Assuming we stay down about $3.50, that the options would be worth the difference of the 310, 12 and a half versus the 307 and a half, 310. So we're looking at above 307 and a half is our level. All right, let me know. You're welcome. So let me know if that made sense. Yep, good point, Trip. Let's see that full fib on FedEx. It's an older one. For sure. All right. There we go. So next is Netflix. Now, Sean has already loaded up the comment section where he said, put your trades in. Folks, we've only got 3 left, Netflix and 2 more. This is the opportunity for you to drop in the candidate you want me to look at. I will look at as many of them as we possibly can get through, so drop them in sooner rather than later, and we will analyze the stocks that you're looking at. So Netflix today was an upgrade from Oppenheimer, not a big firm, but decent. They are up 687. Wow. 247 is where we're sitting right now. So up here below that 252 level. All right, let's kind of zoom in on it a little bit. All right, there we go. So just below the 252. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 232 and a half. There are halves here, and we're right there. It's 232.57. So we'll use the 232 half level, right? Or long call. And for me, Adobe is going to be or long put. Why? Because Adobe and Netflix, both of them are on our power option plays list. Take Two. So Take Two got a hack. Somebody broke in and they stole the latest game and they released it online. So I guess people can play it online. I don't know. I'm not a gamer. I don't know how that really works. But they're down today. Who's this? Netflix and FLX. Sorry, I got rid of my Netflix by mistake. They're down today to Take Two to 119.5, down about $4.50. Right? So great channel going on there. Wow. Really nice. They're sitting at 119.5. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 124. There were $1 increments. We got about 50. Wow. Now that won't hold. So Erica, this is what I did before, right? Based on what I'm saying, above 124, we'd be looking at 124, 125, right? We're looking at 307, 256. So 44 and 7, about 52 cents or so, 53 cents. Okay. But we've moved $4.50 already. So if we take our price of what we were looking at, and we're looking at the 124, and let's just move four strikes, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We're now looking at 140 and 116 would be our premium. So about 25 cents, give or take, versus the 50 cents that's here now, right? That's all I'm doing is I'm basing on where the options were on Friday's close, how much the stock has moved. Let's adjust that many dollars on the option chain and see what what those strike prices would have brought on Friday for the premium. Right, Erica, does that make sense the way that I went through and did it? And guys, make sure you drop in the candidates that you want me to take a look at here today. All right, so let me Take Two back. Last one is Wix, WIX. All right, let's see. What's going on with Wix? They're up $3.50 right now. An investor took a 9% stake in their stock, which drove them up today. They are a monthly optionable stock only. They have decent open interest on it, okay, right? I mean, 1,200 at 63 delta, 647 at 87 delta, all good, right? But just would not be my favorite one because of that. But they are up to 77.25 right now. So it looks like we'd be looking at a bull put spread below 66. Right now you know what? There's something about this that I just don't like, and it's the strikes. I'm not interested in a $5 increments. No more bull put spread. No. No, I'm not doing it. Not doing it at all. All right, the only candidate I see on our list today is SPY. So let's go take a look at what SPY is doing right now. And folks, remember, we are off the rest of this week from this show. And when I say we're off, Sean and I are both out of town. So we'll be back again a week from today to pick up again on market mornings. I will be doing Power Hour this afternoon. I have nothing else that I'm teaching this week. I will be doing Power Option Plays today as well. And I'll be doing Cover Call Explorer on Sunday. So you're not going to miss anything this week. All right, SPY, 383.25. So they're sitting midway, give or take, right about here, 383. So I like it as a bearish play. It's in a true bearish bias. I like it if you're doing a bear call spread, I like it above the 385.36 level, without a doubt. I like that a lot. If you own it, you can rent it. I like that too. Could you do credit spreads on it? Yes. Go above that 385, no problem. Could you use pivot points on it? Yes, not a problem as well. All right, easy ones to do. All right. So hope that helps, Erica. Let me know. And guys, if you like what you see here, smash that like button. Let us know. Let the algorithms know. And let me know that, hey, you guys appreciate what we're doing here. Trip's asking for Chewy. CHWY. And he's looking at a bear call spread. Okay. So we had a really nice channel going for a while on Chewy. Let's back that up. Backing up the bus. Okay. Just a couple seconds to get that fib in place. If we look at Chewy now in pre-market, they're down 66 cents right now to 34.5. So I like that it's down, Trip. I'd like it to go down a little bit more, retest that 34.86 and fail, and then the entry there somewhere above that 35 level, right? Maybe above 36, just get above the 8 moving average, give a little bit of wiggle room on you. But assuming current pricing, meaning we really haven't moved, if we're looking at 36s, you got $1.04 so that's 17 cents. For that. So not bad whatsoever. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, looks like a short day today. There you have it. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure that you come and check out Power Hour today. The easiest way for you to get there is come over to tradinglikeaboss.com. You can register for it right here. Pick up any of the other free trainings that are out there. Make sure you get to the Coach's Playbook on Friday, which is, guys, it's always a blast in that training. I was there last week. It was outstanding. So, all right. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. And I will see all of you Monday, week from today, at our next update. All right. Take care. See you then.